Oh my gosh. Huh? Si Melody? Okay. Si Karomi. Uy, gogi. Hindi. Si Melody? Hello, guys. It's Melody. Shesh, don't tell me dalawang Melody tayo. Kaya nga blind box wheel, di ba? Bobo ka ba? Tinawag ng blind box kasi ganun talaga. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh, pink again. Okay, it's blue. Okay, it's blue. Who's this? Sinong blue? Oh my God! Guys, gusto natin si Hello Kitty na dito. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Hello, Mimigas, and today's video we're going to unbox a product from Jollibee. It's the March 2025, the Sanrio Characters Wonderwheel, which is blind box. We cannot expect na makompleto natin yung 6 forms, which is the Hello Kitty, the Melody, the Cinnamon Roll, Pampaporen, Puchako, and Kuromi. But I am not sure kasi ang strategy ko dito ngayon, we have 4 Jollibee branches here in Ross City. 4 ba 5? Yung ginawa namin is nag-order kami 2 kiddie meal per branch to accumulate 6 pieces of our blind boxes. Ayan. So parang nangyari, bumili kami muna ng dalawa sa isang and then we did is another day. Hindi kami bumili ng 6 talaga sa isang araw. So like, ginawa namin, kami per day. Siguro, out of 60%, kahit mga 40% lang sana, kahit hindi natin makuha lahat. Kasi most of I saw in the internet, they're not just buying the 6 blind boxes, but more than. I saw a YouTuber there na unbox siya more than 30 of this, guys, which is kind of insane talaga. So, for us, kung ano makukuha natin na toys, that's it. We don't have any choices, but maybe sooner, I'll buy again. Pero itong video to is just one. I think I'll do it on shorts na lang siguro. So, umuulan. To get started, we're expecting to have this, just the 6 toys. Ito yung box niya. I'm going to show you what's inside. Ito yung example ng blind box na sinasabi nila. I hope, yung mga rare dito kasi, si Hello Kitty, si Kuromi, at saka si Cinnamon Roll, I think. Let's get started. Oh my gosh. So, may instructions din kung paano gagawin. Wait lang, meron ditong Hello Kitty, oh. Hello Kitty yung narito sa likod. I'll check if yung example sa likod is si Hello Kitty din. Oh yeah, it's the same. It's Hello Kitty still. Let's start with the first blind box na gagawin natin. Oh my gosh. Huh? Si Melody? Okay. Si Kuromi. Okay na ako dito. Si Kuromi tsaka si Hello Kitty lang sana. And I'm hoping hindi si Kuromi to lahat. I bought 2 items each branches. So, I hope na hindi talaga to magkapareho. Ayan siya. It's Kuromi. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to do this, pero there's an instruction. Let's put it on together. So, yung gagawin is dito. Ay, ito ba? Dito ba? Ah, dito. Okay, dito siya. Dito siya ilalagay. Ayan. Dito siya ilalagay. So, different pala yung ganito nila. Next is dito. Ayan. Next is ito. Dito siya. And then, ilalagay pala. Ah, okay, gets ko na. Ilalagay natin dito siya, oh. Ito siya. And then, ito. It's a Ferris wheel talaga siya, oh. Malamang, anong ina-expect mo, wheel? Charot. Ito ba siya? Saan ba to? So, di ko alam na saan ko ilalagay. Ito, saan ko ilalagay? Dito. Basta, ito na siya, guys. So, this is our first, which is Kuromi. I hope na iba-iba sila. Next, we have, alam mo, wait lang. I ordered 2 kiddie meals sa isang branch dito sa amin. And told them na pwede po si Kuromi tsaka si Hello Kitty lang sana. Kasi alam ko kasi maraming rumors na every boxes is one figure na isa lang siya. I assume na totoo yun. Yung for example, may isang box. So, puro Kuromi yun. Isang box, puro Hello Kitty yun. Ganon. So, sabi ko, yung parang pagkakaano ko sa kanila, pag-explain ko sa kanila, pwede isa doon sa isang box at saka isa doon sa isang box. And then, nung bumili na ako, yung dumating na si Food Panda, sabi, Sir, ano kasi siya, random kasi siya, so hindi nila magawang i-request ko. Nandun naman talaga yung request ko sa sa resibo. And then, sabi sa sulat, sorry po, random po kasi, sorry, gumanon siya. So, I understand naman. And I hope na meron tayong Hello Kitty, cinnamon roll, at saka Koromi dito. Okay, next is... Ayan na. Pareho namin. Ay, pareho ba? Uy, gogi. Hindi. Si Melody. Iba, kasi if you notice, pareho sila ng color. Ano guys? It's Melody. Ayan, it's Melody. Oh my God. I didn't expect that. Okay. So, ewan ko if ito yung first batch na binili ko dito or let's calm down. Let's do this together. Let's do this together. Okay, let's assemble it muna. Here. Then, ito siya. Guys, di ko alam kung saan to ilalagay. Yung ganito nila, di ko alam. Okay, we have two different figures for our two first boxes that we unbox. Next is, this is the third box. Sana, di naman po sana. Okay. Lord, please lang. Please lang po. Please lang po. Okay. Oh my God, pareho tayo. Si na. Melody! Shush, don't tell me dalawang Melody tayo. Dalawang Melody. Kaya nga blind box wheel, di ba? Bobo ka ba? Tinawag ng blind box kasi ganun talaga. Okay, fine. Ganun. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero syempre, alam na, iba kasi tadhana ng talaga eh. Sana Lord, tadhana din. Charot. Okay, I accept. I accept. Ayan, dalawang Melody na. Oh my gosh, I don't want to make it dalawang, ay nako. Next! Okay. Yung dalawang to is the same. I mean, one branch to. So, kung binigyan nila tayo ng another Melody, meaning, may galit siya sa atin. I hope not. I hope not. Oh my gosh, pink again. Okay, it's blue. Okay, it's blue. Who's this? Sinong blue? Oh my God! Guys, gusto natin si Hello Kitty na dito. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm good. Okay na ako. We have the Hello Kitty. It's very rare daw ito. Ito yung pinaka-rare sa lahat. Finally, we have it. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, tatlo. Okay, give me another one different. Kasi sabi ko, 60% out of 60% is 40% yung makukuha natin. And I am hoping, okay, I'm hoping talaga na iba. Okay, we're good. Hello Kitty yung nakuha natin. Cinnamon roll na lang sana. Please, cinnamon roll. Sana lang po. Sana lang, wala nang iba. Okay, we have here. Di ko alam, nasan to ilalagay? Dito ba? Saan ba? Walang nakalagay kung nasan. Okay, we have two different but one duplicate. So, yes. Next, we have... Oh my gosh. So, binigyan tayo sa first batch natin na binili. Itong binigay. And then, secondly, ito. Conclusion, binigyan tayo ng different items talaga. Good thing naman. Hindi naman to magkapareho. Different branches. So next, this is the last branch na binili namin. And I hope, iba, walang Melody. Wala lang Melody, please. Please lang. Tama na. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh my gosh, wait! Sino to? Wait. Hello! 40% guys, yung nakuha natin. It's Pochaco. Oh my gosh, this is my first blind box that we tried. Like, unlucky tayo sa one. I hope na iba din to. Para kang iiyak eh. Ba't ka iiyak? Huwag kang iiyak. Okay. Okay. Hello, pinagpala tayo ni Lord. Slight lang. Pinagpala ni Lord, slight lang. Let's have this assemble muna. Pag nakuha natin to na different, ha? Pag nakuha natin different, very lucky na talaga tayo. Yung parang pinagpala ka pero slight lang. Hindi binigay sa'yo lahat. At least binigay, di ba? May binigay. Oh, ito siya, oh. We have Pochaco. Ayan. Last box na tayo, guys. Cinnamon roll. Oh. Tapos si Pomporin yung ibibigay. Oh, okay na din. Okay na din yun. Oh my gosh. Lors! Pag iba to, mahal naman ako ng Diyos. Oo, mahal niya ako. Pag iba to, blue, 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 blue. I need blue. Blue. Nasaan siya? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yan. Ayan na. Hindi tayo mahal ng Diyos. Hindi tayo mahal ng isang branch na binilhan namin. Oh, binigay sa atin, 2 Pochaco. Ayan siya, oh. Pero not bad, ah. Not bad. 30%, guys. At least, hindi tayo yung katulad ng iba na very dismaya talaga pag ganun yung mangyayari sa'yo. We don't have the Pomporin and Cinnamon Roll. Yun yung kailangan natin. We have here our first collection. We have the Koromi, the 2 Melody, the 1 Hello Kitty, and the 2 Pochaco. We have missing the Cinnamon Roll and Pomporin. Pomporin. So, ayan na guys. So, we're going to assemble na lang to kahit kulang yung iba. So, let's go. Paano ba may assemble yung 5? Same lang din. So, sino yung gusto natin? Ito yung base. Oh, ito yung base. Tapos, sige, ito yung babaw natin. 3. So, kukunin natin to. Let's start building the Wonderwheel, guys. Okay, guys. Yung gagawin pala, maglalagay dito. Ayan. So, magulong na siya. Dito, so, ilalagay ito. Tapos dito pala ilalagay yung violet. Okay, yung orange na lang. Assemble na natin na yun. Yan. And then, mali yung paglagay ko ng... So, ilalagay natin si Hello Kitty. Dito sa left. Ayan. Ito ba? Yan. Next is si Melody. Ayan. So, si Pochaco na lang kasi wala si Pomporin. Hello guys, nadami si Pomporin. May damage. Oh, hindi ko kasalanan. Wala dito. Oh, may damage siya. Wala, ba't may damage? Sayang naman. Ba't na damage? Ito dapat oh. Ito siya oh. Na damage. So next, si Pomporin ulit. Wait lang. Ayan siya. Yan. Yung 2. Yan. Last natin. Si Koromi. Ayan. So, kailangan pala siya ganyanin dito para may balance siya. Ayan. Or, lalagay natin siguro dito. So, ayan siya, guys. So, ito na siya. This is it, guys. Ayan. Ito na siya. Kulang tayong 2, si Cinnamon Roll tsaka si Pomporin. Pomporin pala. Pomporin. Ayan. And guys, abangan na lang natin na makakuha tayo ng Cinnamon Roll tsaka Pomporin. Ayan. Let's hunt pa din. And I will going to update you via shorts na lang. So that's it. Ito siya. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next vlog. I just peace out. Bye!
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.